I'm going to ask you this now. Now the tough question. Are we going to see you as the Chief Minister of Delhi next week or not?
एक्चुअली हमारे लिए मंत्री बनना, मुख्यमंत्री बनना ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. देश से भ्रष्टाचार दूर होना चाहिए. इस देश का आम आदमी बहुत परेशान हो चुका है, बहुत दुखी हो चुका है.
ये आपने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया.
हाँ, तो मैं सवाल का जवाब भी दे रहा हूँ. हमने जनता से पूछा है कि सरकार बनानी चाहिए कि नहीं बनानी चाहिए. जनता ने 28 सीट दी, नई पार्टी को 28 सीट दी. ये दिल्ली की जनता की एक बहुत बड़ी जीत है, लेकिन पूर्ण बहुमत नहीं आया. तो हमने दिल्ली की जनता से पूछा है, तो संडे शाम तक उसका रिजल्ट आएगा, मंडे मॉर्निंग पता चल जाएगा.
Monday morning तक पता चल. But what is your view? Do you believe that you should form the government? I remember asking you a week ago and you said you didn't want to take support of the Congress and BJP. Has anything changed? You can see the way in which people have expectations. Do you believe that that has changed? What is your feeling? Should you form the government, take this responsibility?
देखिए, जनता के बीच में जब हम जा रहे हैं तो दो तरह के व्यूज आ रहे हैं. कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि दोनों पार्टियों से दूर रहना, बिल्कुल दूर रहना, और कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि सरकार बनाओ और जिस दिन ये गिराएं तो जनता इनको सबक सिखाएगी. लेकिन जब तक सरकार चलती है तब तक आप हंगामा करके दिखा दो. सरकार चला सकते हो, ये करके दिखा दो. बोथ द व्यूज, पीपल आर वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट इट. सो जो जनता कहेगी हम वही करेंगे.
What is your view?
पर्सनली मैंने जैसे पहले बोला था कि हम ना किसी से सपोर्ट लेना चाहते हैं, ना सपोर्ट देना चाहते हैं. एट अ पर्सनल लेवल आई हैड दिस व्यू, बट माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. जनता जनार्दन है.
I have got my answer. In a sense, Arvind Kejriwal, who a week ago told me he doesn't want to, and now is saying Janta Janardhan hai. Yana, there's a chance that you intend to become the Chief Minister of Delhi next week. Would that be fair to say?
I don't think so. As I said, Monday morning को पता चलेगा जो भी नतीजे आएंगे.
But there's a strong possibility. There's pressure from your workers.
There is a 50-50 possibility.
No. Okay, 50-50 possibility. Okay, since you've been doing SMS polls, I'm going to get a show of hands from this audience. How many people in this audience believe that Arvind Kejriwal should form the government with the Congress support next week? That's more than half. That's not 50-50. That's not 50-50.
So let's see what happens.
Let me just take it. हर्षवर्धन जी हमारे साथ है, दिल्ली बीजेपी के. हर्षवर्धन जी, अगर ये सरकार बनाए तो क्या आप सरकार गिराना चाहेंगे या इनकी सरकार रहने देंगे?
I had said on the very first day that if anybody wants to become the chief minister or wants to form the government, we will provide constructive support to any government which is really serving the people honestly.
So you will, am I to understand that you will provide constructive support to Mr. Kejriwal? Constructive का मतलब है कि आप उनको गिराएंगे नहीं.
You see, we are not in a position to sort of take care of the government in that way. They already have the numbers 28 plus 8, 36. He can form the government today itself. Just now also he can announce, no problem.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर हम सरकार ना बनाए तो बीजेपी वाले कहते हैं कि जिम्मेदारी से भाग रहे हैं. सरकार बनाए तो कहते हैं कांग्रेस की बी टीम है. चित भी मेरी, पट भी मेरी. तो मैं उनसे ये कहना चाहता हूं कि सर, अब अगर आप वो जुमला इस्तेमाल करें तो अब हम कांग्रेस की बी टीम तो नहीं बचे. उनकी 8 सीटें, हमारी 28 है. अब कांग्रेस बी टीम कहें तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. हमारी कांग्रेस बी टीम है. और थोड़े दिन में बीजेपी आम आदमी की सी टीम बन जाएगी. अभी कांग्रेस बी टीम बनेगी.
ये तो बात की बात है, लेकिन यहाँ कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेसी के भी राशिद अल्वी मुझे दिखाई दिए. Rashid Alvi ji, will you provide, because when Congress says unconditional support, people get very worried कि ये कितने दिन तक रहेगा unconditional support.
हम तो दिल्ली के लोगों के फैसले का एहतराम करते हैं, इज्जत करते हैं. That is the reason we are supporting him unconditionally.
Unconditional.
Go ahead.
For how long?
Yeah.
5 years or only 4 months? How long is this unconditional support?
जब तक दिल्ली के लोग चाहेंगे तब तक ये सरकार चलाए.
अरे वाह. You want to answer that? जब तक दिल्ली के लोग चाहेंगे. But you know, there is someone very special here also. Before I let Arvind go, Yogendra Yadav was an old friend of ours because he was our political scientist. Arvind snatched him away. So Arvind's time is in a sense, lost. Yogendra ji, do you want Arvind to form the government or not next week? What is your view?
My view is that the route to a decision is far more important than the decision itself. And the route that Arvind has chosen, I mean, 20 years from now, 40 years from now, people would not remember whether Aam Aadmi Party formed a government or not. But they would remember that for the first time in the history of this country, a party went back to the people. That for me is far more important than the decision.
एक और चीज है, अभी तक हमारे देश में जनतंत्र का मतलब होता था वोट डालो, घर जाओ, अब हो गया, आपने वोट डाल दिया, हो गया जनतंत्र, अब अपने घर जाके बैठो। अब हम लोग कमरे में बैठेंगे और बड़े बड़े बक्से नोटों के आदान प्रदान होंगे और सरकार बनेगी। ये जनतंत्र का मतलब अभी तक होता था। पहली बार इस देश के अंदर हुआ कि चुनाव होने के बाद जनता से पूछा जा रहा है कि सरकार बनाए कि ना बनाए। आज आप दिल्ली में पान की दुकान पे खड़े हो जाइए, चाय की दुकान पे खड़े हो जाइए, कहीं दिल्ली में चले जाइए, बस में चले जाइए, मेट्रो में चले, चारों तरफ यही चर्चा हो रही है कि आम आदमी पार्टी को सरकार बनानी चाहिए कि नहीं। जनता तय कर रही है। तो कुछ ना कुछ तो बदल रहा है इस देश के अंदर, राजनीति तो बदल रही है इस देश के अंदर।
You know, I'm going to ask Ravi Shankar Prasad, who doesn't appear very impressed because obviously he is with the BJP. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, do you like this idea, SMS poll, going back to the people to try and find out who should form the government? What is your advice to Arvind Kejriwal?
Well, first of all, let me compliment Mr. Kejriwal for both his success in the elections and also being given the award today. Congratulations to you. The second thing is, I personally believe as a political activist right from my student days that the people of the country know their power. They can unseat any political party. They can unseat any very popular leader from the center or from the state. This power they know. They have chosen a novel way. Good luck to them. But there is an issue to be considered. If Aam Aadmi Party wants to have a national stage, will they keep on talking to the entire country? Or they would like to govern? These are important issues, but good luck to them. I have no more to advise. But yes, if Congress party, quote unquote, is giving unconditional support, then surely they need to form the government and deliver on the promises they have met and let the people decide.
When you say good luck, I presume good luck for 2013 because you believe 2014 will be your year and the year of Narendra Modi, right? You're hoping that next year, where Arvind is standing, Mr. Modi will be standing next year.
Well, I'll leave it to the people for that. But one thing I would like to say that when Arvind Kejriwal is legitimately claiming the uniqueness of his victory, I think he should not also ignore the massive victory which the BJP has won in so many states. 2/3 majority, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, 3/4 majority, Vasundhara Raje, Raman Singh coming again under difficult circumstances. This is the power of democracy, Arvindji. And if I compliment you, you need to compliment me too for the success of my party.
बधाई हो, बधाई हो।
Vinod Raji, do you think Arvind Kejriwal, you said you feel honored to be giving him this award. Do you feel he should form the government in Delhi?
Well, I'm as much of an Aam Aadmi in Delhi as Mr. Kejriwal or you are. Hopefully, I'll also give my opinion, which will be made known on Monday morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, one thing that hasn't changed about Arvind, the first year that he came, and it's winter in Delhi, he came wearing the same sandals and socks. He's come in the same, with the same footwear. So nothing has changed in that sense, Arvind Kejriwal, for all the success that you've achieved. And ladies and gentlemen, give him a big hand. Arvind Kejriwal, CNN IBN's Politician of the Year, a man who's redefined the way politics is conducted in this country. Thank you very much, Arvind.